Top 10 Cycling Accessories Under $100 in 2026. If you think upgrading your cycling experience requires spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars, think again. In 2026, some of the best cycling accessories on the market cost less than $100 and can dramatically improve your comfort, safety, performance, and overall riding experience. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend warrior, a fitness enthusiast, or someone who simply enjoys exploring new roads on two wheels, the right accessories can make every ride smoother, safer, and a lot more enjoyable. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 cycling accessories under $100 in 2026. From smart safety gear and innovative storage solutions to tech gadgets that help you ride smarter, we've got something for every cyclist. Number 10. Smart Rechargeable Bike Tail Light. Coming in at number 10 on our list of the best cycling accessories under $100 in 2026 is the Smart Rechargeable Bike Tail Light. Now, I know what you're thinking. A tail light doesn't sound very exciting, but this small accessory can be one of the most important upgrades you make to your bike. Whether you're commuting to work before sunrise, heading home after sunset, or simply riding through busy city streets, visibility is everything. Drivers can't avoid what they can't see, and that's exactly why modern smart tail lights have become essential gear for cyclists. Unlike older bike lights that simply stay on or flash at a constant rate, today's smart tail lights are packed with technology. Many models feature automatic brake sensing, which means the light becomes brighter when you slow down. This gives drivers behind you a visual signal similar to a car's brake lights. Another feature riders love is ambient light detection. The tail light can automatically adjust brightness depending on the environment, helping conserve battery life while maintaining visibility. Speaking of battery life, modern rechargeable tail lights can often run for dozens of hours on a single charge. Most charge through USB-C, making them incredibly convenient for everyday use. The best part is that many premium options now cost well under $100. That means you don't have to spend a fortune to dramatically improve your safety on the road. For commuters, this accessory offers peace of mind. For fitness riders, it provides extra protection during early morning training sessions. And for weekend cyclists, it's a simple way to become more visible in changing conditions. Installation is also incredibly easy. Most models use rubber straps or quick-release mounts, allowing you to attach and remove the light in seconds. In 2026, cycling technology continues to evolve, but safety remains the top priority. A smart rechargeable tail light delivers one of the highest safety upgrades per dollar you can buy. If you're looking for a practical accessory that improves visibility, boosts confidence, and keeps you safer on every ride, this is an easy choice. Number 9. Waterproof Bike Frame Bag. At number 9, we have an accessory that every cyclist eventually realizes they need: a waterproof bike frame bag. One of the biggest challenges cyclists face is figuring out where to carry essentials without stuffing pockets full of gear or wearing an uncomfortable backpack. That's where a frame bag comes in. Mounted securely within your bike's frame triangle, this compact storage solution allows you to carry tools, snacks, keys, power banks, wallets, and spare tubes while keeping everything organized and easily accessible. In 2026, frame bags have become lighter, stronger, and more weather-resistant than ever before. Many are built using waterproof materials and sealed zippers that protect your belongings from rain, mud, and dust. For commuters, this means arriving at work without worrying about wet electronics. For long-distance riders, it means having extra storage without sacrificing comfort. One of the biggest advantages of a frame bag is weight distribution. Unlike backpacks that place strain on your shoulders and back, a frame bag keeps weight low and centered on the bike. This improves stability and allows for a more comfortable ride. Modern designs also focus heavily on aerodynamics. Many bags feature slim profiles that minimize wind resistance while maximizing storage space. Another benefit is convenience. Need a quick energy bar during a ride? Want easy access to a multi-tool? Everything is right there within reach. Many cyclists underestimate how useful a frame bag can be until they start using one. Once installed, it quickly becomes a permanent part of the bike setup. Most quality options cost between $30 and $80, making them an excellent value for riders who want practical functionality without breaking the bank. Whether you're commuting, bike packing, training, or exploring new routes, a waterproof frame bag helps keep your essentials secure, organized, and protected from the elements. It's a simple upgrade that makes every ride more enjoyable. Number 8. Portable electric bike pump. Taking the number 8 spot is one of the most convenient cycling accessories available in 2026, the portable electric bike pump. Every cyclist has experienced it. You're halfway through a ride when you discover your tire pressure is too low. Suddenly, pedaling becomes harder, efficiency drops, and comfort disappears. Traditional hand pumps get the job done, but they can be slow, tiring, and inconsistent. Portable electric pumps completely change the experience. These compact devices fit easily inside a bag or jersey pocket and allow riders to inflate tires with the push of a button. Simply connect the pump, select your desired pressure, and let the device do the work. Many models include digital displays that show real-time PSI readings, helping riders achieve precise tire pressure every time. This is particularly important because correct tire pressure affects speed, comfort, grip, and overall riding performance. In 2026, electric bike pumps have become smaller and more powerful than ever before. Some can inflate multiple tires on a single charge while remaining lightweight enough for daily carry. For road cyclists, accurate tire pressure can improve efficiency. For mountain bikers, it can enhance traction on technical terrain. For commuters, it means fewer hassles and more reliable rides. Another major advantage is emergency preparedness. Flat tires can happen anywhere. Having an electric pump available can save time and frustration when you need to get back on the road quickly. Many premium models cost less than $100, making them surprisingly affordable considering the convenience they provide. As cycling technology continues to advance, portable electric pumps are becoming one of the most recommended accessories among riders of all experience levels. Small, lightweight, and incredibly useful, they eliminate one of the most annoying parts of cycling maintenance. Number 7. Cycling Multi-Tool Kit. At number 7, we have something every cyclist should carry regardless of experience level: a cycling multi-tool kit. Let's face it, mechanical problems don't care whether you're riding 1 mile from home or 50 miles into the countryside. A loose bolt, shifting issue, saddle adjustment, or minor repair can quickly turn an enjoyable ride into a frustrating situation. That's where a quality multi-tool becomes invaluable. Modern cycling multi-tools combine numerous essential functions into a compact package small enough to fit in a pocket or saddle bag. Most include Allen keys, screwdrivers, spoke wrenches, chain tools, and other critical repair components designed specifically for bicycle maintenance. The beauty of a multi-tool lies in its versatility. Instead of carrying an entire toolbox, cyclists can bring one compact device capable of handling many common roadside repairs. In 2026, manufacturers have focused on reducing weight while increasing durability. High-quality steel construction ensures these tools can withstand years of use while remaining compact and portable. For beginner riders, a multi-tool provides confidence. For experienced cyclists, it offers peace of mind. No one wants to end a ride early because of a simple adjustment that could have been fixed in minutes. Many excellent options are available for less than $50, making this one of the most affordable and practical accessories on our list. A good multi-tool may not be flashy, but when something goes wrong, it quickly becomes the most important item you own. Prepared riders enjoy greater freedom because they know they're ready to handle unexpected issues. Number 6. Advanced Phone Mount System. Coming in at number 6 is the Advanced Phone Mount System. Smartphones have become an essential part of modern cycling. From navigation and fitness tracking to emergency communication and ride recording, riders rely on their phones more than ever. However, holding a phone while cycling is dangerous and impractical. A high-quality phone mount solves this problem instantly. Modern phone mount systems securely attach your device to the handlebars while keeping the screen visible and accessible. Many 2026 models feature quick lock mechanisms that prevent accidental drops even on rough terrain. Some mounts also include vibration dampening technology, helping protect sensitive phone components during long rides. For commuters, a phone mount transforms navigation. For fitness riders, it provides easy access to performance data. For adventure cyclists, it becomes a valuable route planning tool. The best systems balance security, convenience, and durability. Many are constructed from lightweight aluminum or reinforced composites that withstand harsh weather conditions while maintaining a strong grip on the device. Another major advantage is hands-free operation. Riders can follow maps, monitor speed, or check notifications without constantly reaching into pockets. Most premium phone mount systems cost between $40 and $90, making them an excellent investment for cyclists who frequently use smartphone applications during rides. Simple, yet highly effective, this accessory enhances convenience and safety simultaneously. Number 5. High-Performance Cycling Computer. Halfway through our countdown at number 5 is the high-performance cycling computer. For cyclists who want to track performance, improve fitness, and gain deeper insights into every ride, few accessories provide as much value as a cycling computer. These compact devices mount directly to your handlebars and deliver real-time information including speed, distance, cadence, elevation, navigation, and ride duration. In 2026, cycling computers have become more powerful and affordable than ever before. Many models under $100 now feature GPS tracking, route guidance, smartphone integration, and detailed performance analytics. Instead of guessing how far you've ridden or how fast you're traveling, a cycling computer provides precise data instantly. This information helps riders set goals, monitor progress, and make informed training decisions. For beginners, it adds motivation. For experienced cyclists, it delivers valuable performance insights. Many devices also sync with fitness apps, allowing riders to review routes and analyze ride statistics after every session. Battery life has improved significantly as well. Some models can operate for several days on a single charge, making them ideal for long rides and weekend adventures. Another major benefit is navigation. GPS-enabled cycling computers help riders explore unfamiliar roads with confidence while reducing dependence on smartphones. Compact, lightweight, and packed with useful features, these devices have become a favorite among cyclists worldwide. If you're serious about improving your riding experience, tracking performance, and staying informed on every journey, a cycling computer is one of the smartest purchases you can make. Number 4. Smart Bike Lock. At number 4, we have the Smart Bike Lock. Bike theft remains a major concern for cyclists worldwide, and modern smart locks are designed to provide an extra layer of protection. Many models now feature fingerprint access, smartphone unlocking, tamper alerts, and built-in alarms. Some even send notifications directly to your phone if someone attempts to move or tamper with your bike. Considering the value of most bicycles today, investing in better security is simply common sense. For less than $100, a smart bike lock delivers peace of mind wherever you ride. Number 3. High-quality cycling sunglasses. Sliding into number 3 are high-quality cycling sunglasses. While many riders think sunglasses are only about style, they actually serve a critical purpose. Quality lenses protect your eyes from UV rays, wind, dust, insects, and road debris. Many 2026 models feature interchangeable lenses that adapt to changing lighting conditions, making them suitable for everything from bright summer rides to cloudy morning commutes. Improved visibility means improved confidence and safer riding. Lightweight, comfortable, and performance-focused, cycling sunglasses are a must-have accessory for serious riders. Number 2. Cycling helmet with smart features. Just missing out on the top spot at number 2 is the cycling helmet with smart features. Safety always comes first, and modern helmets are becoming smarter than ever. Many affordable models now include integrated LED lighting, turn signals, crash detection systems, and smartphone connectivity. Some can even notify emergency contacts in the event of a serious accident. Beyond technology, today's helmets are lighter, more aerodynamic, and significantly more comfortable than previous generations. It's difficult to put a price on safety, but finding these advanced features for under $100 makes this accessory an incredible value. Number 1. Radar Rear View Sensor. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list of the top cycling accessories under $100 in 2026 is the Radar Rear View Sensor. This revolutionary device acts like a second set of eyes behind you. Using radar technology, it detects approaching vehicles and alerts you through visual or audio signals. Instead of constantly looking over your shoulder, you receive real-time information about traffic approaching from behind. This improves awareness, boosts confidence, and helps riders make safer decisions on busy roads. What makes this accessory truly special is how quickly it becomes part of your riding routine. Many cyclists who try a radar sensor say they never want to ride without one again. Combining cutting-edge technology with practical safety benefits, the radar rear-view sensor is one of the smartest cycling investments you can make in 2026. And there you have it, the top 10 cycling accessories under $100 in 2026. From smart safety gear and performance-enhancing gadgets to practical storage solutions and security upgrades, these accessories prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to dramatically improve your cycling experience.